Alright, so today I'm gonna install the fuel search kit from Hone Development. If you also got a Civic EG, EK, or even an Integra and use it on the track, most of the time you'll have to run the fuel tank at 50% or more to avoid losing fuel pressure. This kit is a cheap upgrade that will help avoid this issue. It's basically extend your fuel return line to the fuel pump pickup. Go check out Hone's YouTube video for a more detailed explanation. Now let's get to the install. So first step, we're gonna remove the fuel pump cover, then the fuel pump, and then I'm gonna remove the fuel line, then the fuel line return. And at that point you should be able to remove the fuel pump from the fuel tank. So this kit is pretty simple. You got the part that goes over the fuel pump, then the straw that goes into your return line. Pretty simple. So once you get the fuel pump out of the fuel tank, you gotta remove the fuel pump from the assembly. At this point, you're gonna take this thing and slide this part into the fuel pump bracket. At this point I realized that I needed to fully remove the fuel pump. Now we can properly reinstall the pump. At that point I pulled the sleeve up on the fuel pump. Then I reinstalled the fuel pickup. I use a 8mm socket to push the older pin in place. Now that everything is in place, I'm gonna install the return straw into the return line. It kinda takes some finessing, but you'll get there. Right now I'm adjusting the height of the sleeve, so the bead on the straw is sitting right on top of the groove. Now we reinstalling the fuel pump into the tank. The next step is to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you are into race car stuff, you're at the right place.
But if you don't, I will look for you. I will find you.
Next, I'm gonna install a front tow hook on my car.
you.